This has to be the best news for all investors out there. But how is this possible? Let's find out more in today's video. Call it a bubble if you like, but can you really afford to stay out of cryptocurrencies? With Bitcoin hitting an all-time high of $63,000, all eyes are now turned to XRP. XRP has seen some massive price surge recently after getting early legal wins against SEC. Not only this, but many experts predict XRP price will go even higher and will eventually surpass even Bitcoin. Hey guys, and welcome back to Investing Few. In today's video, we will talk about the latest XRP price prediction, Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, and how small investment in XRP can make you super rich. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. XRP set to explode. XRP has the potential to threaten the top cryptocurrencies in the world. It has the tendency of becoming the biggest digital asset that we have ever seen. Let me elaborate why I think so. Undoubtedly, Bitcoin is poised to be a store of value and safe haven asset, and potentially the next global reserve currency. Ethereum is a smart contract platform that could someday replace Wall Street's archaic back end. Ripple, on the other hand, takes aim at the payments industry specifically. Interbank infrastructure like SWIFT and cross-border payments such as Western Union or MoneyGram. It also seeks to connect nearly all assets interchangeably over the Ripple payment protocol. However, that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the altcoin token known as XRP. Not only this, but Ripple has become a popular topic lately, as it became the number 2 cryptocurrency for a brief period of time. While it was trading at around 20 cents just last year, it is now worth more than $1.31 per coin, and continuing to rise. It's important to note that Ripple is the company and XRP is the coin. So what is XRP? Guys, remember, understanding XRP is as much important as investing in XRP. So, if you want to make right investment decisions, you should know each and everything about it. What is XRP? XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, which is an open-source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. XRP can be sent directly, without needing a central intermediary, making it a convenient instrument in bridging 2 different currencies quickly and efficiently. Faster, less costly, and more scalable than any other digital asset, XRP and the XRP ledger are used to power innovative technology across the payment space. Now, since that is clear, let's move on to the next part. Is XRP a good investment? Guys, one question that is most commonly asked related to XRP is that can XRP make you rich? In a word, yes. XRP can make you rich. There are several factors implying that it is a good investment and that its price can increase in the future. You all must know that XRP is being tested in selected banks as a replacement for SWIFT money transfers. This is the biggest reason why Ripple may be a great investment. It is pretty evident that Ripple's tech is poised to become a standard part of bank money transfers, as people are now demanding faster transfers than ever before. It is amongst the most promising digital currencies and has associations with foundations in the financial world, and many national banks have just made changes to consolidate Ripple within their organizations. Another major factor that should lead to XRP's rise is that to fund the operations, the parent company has halted any further sale of the asset. This should lead to the demand outweighing the coin's supply, eventually leading to a rapid price increase. Ripple XRP has been approved by multiple U.S. institutions, such as the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. It has also made strides in receiving positive sentiment from global regulators, which will lead to a positive long-term outlook and help in price predictions in the future. The low price of XRP means that anyone with a small budget can invest in it to build a whole number quantity of tokens, which many of us psychologically value. Ripple transactions are fast, and solutions based on Ripple allow you to trade cash or goods with low commission. Another major thing to be considered while investing in any cryptocurrency is its fees. Ripple fees is substantially lower compared to most other cryptos out there. By keeping the cost of transfers low, Ripple has made itself a more appealing investment item and a more competitive money transfer technology. This, in turn, has given it a better long-term prognosis. So, When you invest in XRP, you can be assured that its price is going to rise, and it will eventually make you rich. How $100 investment can turn into $35,000 with XRP? Ripple's cryptocurrency XRP has more than doubled over the past 9 days, driven by favorable rulings for the company on discovery issues in a dispute over whether initial coin offerings qualified as securities offerings. Since then, crypto bulls have been out in full force on social media, boldly asserting that Ripple not only would win the case overall, but that its value would also soar to $10, $20, or more from its current price of about $1.30. We are beginning to see a huge trend shift. Many huge influencers and traders are starting to openly endorse XRP. A user with the handle CryptoBull2020 tweeted Monday, "There will be many as Ripple gets closer to win against the SEC or settle, and as price continues toward $10. The user later tweeted, "Hit like if you're looking forward to $10 XRP. Retweet if you expect $20 and more," adding a rocket ship emoji. The tweet had 1,000 retweets and 2,900 likes. Another user tweeted, "SEC clarity coming soon. When it does, XRP price will implode. You better be ready." For those of you who don't remember, in 2017, crypto bubble XRP broke all records by hitting an all-time high of $3.65. At that time, $100 invested in Ripple during the previous year yielded $35,259, along with an astonishing gain of 35,159%. Even the lowest return is not to be sniffed at. $100 invested in XRP would also have returned nearly $948 over the year. This was what happened within a single year, and that shows how XRP can quickly jump from a low to a high, and how significant this jump can be. Presently, XRP is trading at a price of $1.41. The SEC lawsuit filed against Ripple caused massive damage to XRP's price last year, but since then, XRP has managed to hold itself strong. And now, with daily news of Ripple being victorious in the SEC lawsuit, is boosting XRP price higher than ever. For those who had made investments in XRP during its low at $0.2 during December, have now earned a considerable profit. And there is a high chance that XRP can hit a new all-time high in 2021. So even $100 investment can result in a big fortune, as what happened in 2017 crypto bubble, when $100 XRP investment was worth $35,000 during the peak period. Now, let's take a look at XRP Price Prediction 2021. XRP Price Prediction 2021. With the cryptocurrency market changing on an almost daily basis, what's next for the price of Ripple XRP? Today, Ripple XRP is the 4th largest cryptocurrency in the world, a considerable increase in its rankings, and has a price of $1.31, with a market cap of $59 billion. With the bull run apparently still going strong, at least for some cryptocurrencies, many people are wondering whether Ripple will recover its lead or continue to fall behind. XRP's price predictions in future vary between analysts. Some have said if XRP continues on its road to wider adoption, its price could be as high as $200 by 2030. Some predict that it would be around $5 by 2022. There are many factors involved in affecting XRP's price in the future. If the currency continues to gain traction, its mainstream adoption becomes more widespread, and confidence grows in the currency further. There's no reason to think that it can't be bullish once again. XRP can make you rich. Despite the major drop recently, several factors imply that it is a good investment, and buy and hold XRP can be in your benefit. The prices will increase soon in future. And that is all for today's video. What do you think about XRP's future? Tell us in comments. Now, before you leave, make sure to like and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.